Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to post a full photo on Instagram without it getting cropped. Instagram automatically crops images into a square format, but I will show you a simple trick to avoid that. Let's get started. First, open Instagram and tap the plus icon to create a new post. Choose the photo you want to upload. And once you've selected the photo, you will notice a small icon with two arrows in the bottom left corner. Tap this icon to resize the image and fit it into the full frame. This will allow you to post the entire picture without cropping it. Your photo will now display fully in the vertical or horizontal format. Next, if needed, you can drag the photo to adjust its position within the frame to make sure everything you want in the shot is visible. Then edit and post. After resizing, you can apply filters or edits. Then tap next. Now here, add a caption, tags, and you can also add location. And once you're satisfied with the results, just hit share to post the full photo. And that's it. Your full photo is now posted on Instagram without being cropped. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.